most important children's rights, I think it's education.
Education.
The most important children's rights for me is the right to education.
The important right for children and youth for me is the right to education.
Sometimes when I'm going to town, I see street kids asking for money for education.
We do private lessons at school, but sometimes my mother doesn't have money to pay the private lessons. When we are in the class, the teacher focuses more with those who paid the private lessons.
Yes, there used to be this prefect. She had a big body, she was tall. She'd always carry a tennis ball with her. And if you did noise or if you made noise or something else, she'd just throw it at you.